Hi, I'm Krystie, the Marketing Manager at the Automation Company. Today I'll show you how to use HubSpot's original source to populate lead source information and pass it to other CRMs or data tools. Let's get started. So like always, first, let's log into HubSpot using our credentials. Okay, great. So from the main navigation menu, we'll click on Contacts. Let's click on any contact record to open it. So we'll click on Mickey Mouse. And let's scroll down to the About This Contact section and find the original source property. Here she is. So to create a more digestible lead source field, go to Settings and click on Properties. So we'll just click on the settings icon. And then we'll head down to Properties, and then we'll create a property. Let's name it Custom Lead Property. And let's add it to the contact information group. We'll do single line text, and let's show in global results. Okay, great. So now let's navigate back over to automations and workflows. We're going to create a new workflow to copy the data from the original source field to the custom lead source field. So let's start by clicking on Create Workflow from scratch, and it'll be contact based, so that's perfect. We can just hit Next here. Let's go ahead and name this. We'll just name it Test. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the enrollment trigger by clicking Setup Triggers, and then choose Original Source is Unknown. So we'll hit When Filter Criteria is Met. Here we'll click on Contact Properties. Here we will type in Original Source, and then we'll just change it to Is Known. Let's make sure to save that before we click out of that. Great. So now let's click on this plus button to add an action. And from here, you'll want to go ahead and just type in copy property value. And you're going to set original source just by searching for that here as the property value to copy from. And then you'll look for custom lead property and you'll hit save. So here you can review the workflow settings and click review and publish to activate the workflow. Let's go ahead and do that. So 4,856 contacts have now enrolled into this criteria. So here's when I would go ahead and decide whether yes to enroll existing contacts who meet the enrollment criteria immediately or not to do that. But since this is just a test, I'm just going to X out of here. And that's it. So if you're using another CRM like Salesforce, you'll want to set up the data sync by navigating to Integrations, selecting Salesforce, and mapping the custom lead source field to the corresponding field in Salesforce. Let's go ahead and walk you through doing that. Okay, so you head over to Data Management and then click on Integrations. Here, you'll want to look for the app, and it should say Salesforce. And then you'll select Salesforce, and you'll map the custom lead source field to the corresponding field in Salesforce. And that's it. So using HubSpot's original source property to create a custom lead source field and syncing it with other CRMs or data tools ensures not only consistent but accurate lead source tracking. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.